to adjust the height of the print on your open C20, as you can see, this one's out of line. What you need to do is grab a Phillips head screwdriver and tear the backing paper and pull the tail out. And there's a screw here, right there. You need to loosen this a fraction and then slide this up and down. And that adjusts the position. So loosen. You don't want to unscrew the whole way, just a 360-degree turn so it's loose, and then you can slide that section. So I'll slide this into a different position and then tighten it. And then reload the gun. And the alignment's fixed.